Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to science class. Today is our lecture 2 on chapter 11 weather and climate. Today we are going to learn about 4 new things which are air pressure, wind, low air pressure and high air pressure. So let's start our today's lecture. Now student, I am going to tell you something interesting about air. Here is a balloon in my hand and I blow it with air. Now I let go the balloon from my hand. Just observe it again. What happens? The balloon falls straight down to the floor. Why? Can anyone tell me the reason? Let me help you. The air I blow into the balloon has a weight. That's why the balloon falls straight on the ground. In our environment, we are covered by air. And as we know that air has weight, so it continuously creates pressure on the Earth's surface. So we can define the definition of air pressure in this way, that air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the air pressing down on the Earth's surface. So this is the definition of air pressure. Now student, we are going to learn about wind. What is wind? When air blows to a particular direction in the form of a current, it is known as wind. So here is the definition, please write it. When air blows to a particular direction in the form of a current is known as wind. So here I draw a map. This is our North Pole. This is South Pole, this is East, and this one is West. When air blows from the south to the west in a form of a current and it's returned to the South Pole, then it will be known as wind. Now student, I am going to give you 3 important information. Number 1 is heat makes air lighter. Number 2 is sand surface is warmer than water after placing under the sunlight. And number 3 is sand surface also cools fast under the shade. If you want to understand the facts of low air pressure and the facts of high air pressure, then you have to memorize these 3 conditions. I hope all of you write down these 3 conditions in your notebook. Then we will proceed to our next topic, low air pressure and high air pressure. Here I am trying to draw a land portion and a water portion. So this one is our land portion on of our earth, and this one is our watery portion or Bay of Bengal. So during the daytime, land portion becomes warmer than the water, and when land becomes warmer, the air which are adjacent to this land portion are also getting warmer, and these air are lighter than the air which are surroundings to the other area. As a result, low pressure develops on the land area, as it is as this air is lighter than the other side surrounding air, so it rises up to the sky. So here low air pressure develops on this area. On the other hand, air which is adjacent to this watery portion or adjacent to the sea, it is cooler than the land portion air. So cool air is always heavier than warm air. So here on the sea surface, air creates a high pressure. Now all of us, we know that air always blow from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. So in daytime, air adjacent to the land portion, it creates low pressure here and high pressure on the sea, high pressure on above sea. And in night time, land is cooler than ocean. Land is cooler than ocean. So air which is related to this land portion, it creates high pressure over the land and it also creates low pressure on the ocean. So this is the main theory of low air pressure and high air pressure.